In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the OBS Studio audio mixer so you can control your sound like a pro. If you're streaming, recording YouTube videos, or creating any kind of content in OBS, understanding the audio mixer is absolutely essential. Bad audio will ruin great video every single time, so mastering these simple controls can instantly improve your content quality. Make sure to stick around because I'll walk you through adjusting volume levels, understanding the color indicators, muting sources properly, and using advanced audio settings to fix sync issues. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more OBS tutorials. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio and look at the bottom section of the interface. You'll see the audio mixer panel. This is where all your audio sources appear, such as your microphone, desktop audio, game sound, or any additional inputs you've added. Each source has a horizontal slider, also known as a fader, and this is what controls the volume. To adjust volume, simply drag the fader left or right. Dragging it to the right increases the volume, and dragging it to the left decreases it. As your audio plays, you'll notice the meter moving in real time with different colors. These colors are extremely important. When the meter is green, that usually means your background audio or general sound levels are safe and not overpowering. For things like music or game audio, staying mostly in the green is ideal. When it comes to your microphone, you want your voice to land mostly in the yellow range. A good target is between -10 decibels and -15 decibels. This range keeps your voice clear, strong, and professional without being too loud. If your levels are too low and only hitting green, your audience may struggle to hear you. If your levels are too high and constantly hitting red, that means your audio is peaking and distorting. Red is a warning sign. Distorted audio sounds harsh and unpleasant, and once it's recorded, it's very difficult to fix. So always adjust your microphone fader until your normal speaking voice stays around that yellow zone without touching red. Now, let's talk about muting. Sometimes you may want to temporarily disable a microphone or desktop audio source. To mute any source, simply click the small speaker icon next to it. When muted, the icon will turn red, clearly indicating that the source is off. This is especially useful if you need to cough, handle background noise, or quickly silence game audio during a stream. Just click the speaker icon again to unmute and resume audio. Next, let's look at advanced settings. In the audio mixer panel, click the 3 dots next to any audio source. From the drop-down menu, select Advanced Audio Properties. This opens a powerful settings window that gives you more control. One of the most useful features here is sync offset. If your microphone audio is slightly ahead or behind your video, you can add a sync delay in milliseconds to align everything perfectly. This is extremely helpful if you're using capture cards or multiple devices. You'll also see options for audio monitoring. This allows you to hear your microphone or other sources through your headphones while recording or streaming. You can set a source to monitor off, monitor only, or monitor and output, depending on your needs. Just be careful to avoid creating echo by monitoring the same source multiple times. Once you've adjusted your levels, muted what you don't need, and configured any advanced settings, your audio mixer is fully optimized. Good audio setup only takes a few minutes, but it makes a massive difference in how professional your content feels. That's how to use the OBS Studio audio mixer step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more OBS Studio guides and streaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.